I want to thank our post-production team here in Austin who helped us with sound and music. Nick Longoria did our score. Alex Covert was our sound mixer. Jet Jaguar helped with ADR and Foley work.
What's your name?
My name's Alex.
And?
I'm Jet, hi.
And what are you guys doing?
Headed to the dungeon.
Oh yeah, we're going to the dungeon. Ooh, okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Yay!
This is the dungeon.
This is the dungeon.
Trying to think of how we can recreate the sound of grass. The girl is bending down, and I think a good scrape is essential to that.
Like this, kind of cut these edges off, put leaves in here. And
Sure. We need a high chair for
We found some carpet for the walking down the stairs shot. Is that what you're thinking?
Yep.
Yeah. So what's our first sound?
Leaves are first.
Okay.
Let's go through and do all the leaves.
I'm going to put down some leaves, which are not actually in here, but I'll put them down on the floor and just walk on top of the leaves. Yeah.
Cool.
I am ready when you are.
All right, cool. Oh yeah, that's good.
Hi, Birdie. How's flying? I wish I could fly. I bet you've been to a lot of faraway places, huh?